So this here is a AMD R7265 2 GB GDDR5 graphics card made by MSI. It's been dead for like 3-4 years now, and let's try to fix it. Okay, so what's happening is when I plug in the GPU, the fan spins, but it doesn't get recognized by PC. Black screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and reflow the main chip and the video RAMs. Now you can see the flux around the main chip, around the GPU, and also I have some Kapton tape just in case the small components fly away. So what I'm doing now is heating up the board slowly. I'm just going to do that for a minute, then we'll move on to the die itself. Sorry about the camera angle, I'm holding the camera in one hand and using the hot air gun using the other hand, so it's going to be a bit tricky. So what you have to do is get close to the die and move the hot air in a circular motion slowly. But before that I need to change the nozzle because it's too small. I need to get a bigger one. Alright, here we have a big one, but I'm not able to do it quite right. So I'm gonna have to stop the recording now, but this is how it looks like. So I'll be back after I'm done reflowing the die and the memory. Alright, back after the reflow. As you can see, a lot of flux has evaporated because of the heat. Well, hopefully that worked. Let's move on to the computer, plug it in. Let's see if it did. Well, everything's plugged in, fan spinning, and guess what? It's actually working. Well, I mean, the logo was showing just now, but I guess the second monitor is showing up. The second monitor is not plugged into the GPU. It's connected to the onboard graphics, the Intel graphics. Well, but still, you can see the monitor is working. It's amazing. I mean, I can't believe it worked, but it did. So yes. Well, anyway, let me install the drivers and run Units in Heaven. As you can see, everything's working fine. We have the right clocks, temperatures are okay for this card. It gets hot. Yeah, the core clock is fine. You can see the 955 megahertz is boosting quite nicely. The memory clock 1400 megahertz. That's how it's always been. Yeah, you can see the GPU load. It goes to 90%. So I guess back from the dead. Well, if you like the video, hit that like button and subscribe for more. If you have something to say, you know what to do. I'll see you in the next one.